Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to make an Instagram profile card. Let's get started. Start by opening Instagram on your device. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. You will now land on your profile. At the top, you can see Edit Profile and Share Profile. Tap on Share Profile. Now you will see a QR code. If you tap on it again, you will get your profile details. You can tap on Edit icon at the bottom to make any changes as you desire. Now simply tap on the download icon. You will get two options to download the QR or profile details. Tap on any. Now you can share the saved picture to anyone and they can easily reach to your profile. And that is how to make Instagram profile card. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.